Luminar has long been one of my favorite photo editing and enhancement apps. Recently, Luminar 2018 was updated with a lot of great speed improvements and optimizations. Luminar can be used as a standalone app or as an extension from the Photos app on your Mac. The extension method is usually how I incorporate Luminar into my workflow. From here in Photos, I'm going to locate an image that I know was taken in August of 2016, so I can search for that month and year. I have an image of the Milky Way galaxy here that I really like but could use some improving. So I'll press return to jump into edit mode in Photos. Then go to the extensions button and Luminar 2018. That opens the photo in the Luminar interface. Luminar offers great built-in presets that I can apply to the photo with one click. But in this case, I'm mostly going to use the raw develop controls and a couple others here in the filters sidebar. First up, I'm actually going to increase the exposure slider slightly. Then to remove the grayish cast on the image, I'm going to take the shadow slider way down, which will darken the areas that I want to be dark. I'm also going to bring down the highlights quite a bit. Now using the black slider, I can bring in more of the Milky Way cloudiness by increasing it, or remove that cloudiness by decreasing the blacks. Boost the whites a little to emphasize the main cluster of stars in the Milky Way. Next, I'm going to boost the colors with the saturation and vibrance sliders. Finally, use the structure slider to increase the number of stars visible, or decrease them. We can use the before and after buttons up here to compare to the original. These quick adjustments did a very good job of removing the cast that was over the image. Click Save Changes to return to Photos, where it's saved right back into my library. If you're interested in Luminar, click the link below for a free trial. If you like it, use the coupon code TMU10 for $10 off your purchase. If you're upgrading from an older version of Luminar, you can also get $10 off that with the code TMU10. To learn more about using the Mac Photos app, become an all-access member at themacu.com and check out both the View and Organize tutorial and the Edit and Share tutorial for Photos. Thanks for watching.